Hey everyone, DYDX testnet was just upgraded and they added ICA. So on the pStake side, we enabled liquid staking for DYDX. So I wanted to make a very quick video on how to actually liquid stake your DYDX. To start, you should actually get some DYDX. It's quite hard to get DYDX testnet tokens. So to make it easy, you can actually get some testnet XPRT tokens through one of the faucets. I use KitKat, for example, where you just type in a test address here, so you get some testnet tokens there. Then you go to Dexter, testnet.app.dexter.zone, where you can actually swap some of that XPRT to DYDX testnet tokens. Currently, there's a small issue here, so I'll just type it in the URL here. So it's XPRT2, that's the one, DV4 TNT, which is actually the denom of the DYDX testnet token. So it's not called DYDX, it's called DV4 TNT. So you can swap some of your XPRT here. So let's say you swap one XPRT to a little bit of testnet DYDX. You can make that swap, sign it off, should be quite fast. Once you have that DYDX, it's actually already on the persistence chain, so that makes it easy. Now you can go to the pStake app, which is testnet.app.pstake.finance, where in the dashboard you will see actually these tokens that you have. So you'll see you have some testnet DYDX token on the persistence chain. And from here on, you can easily go to liquid stake that. On the liquid staking side here, you select whatever amount of token it is that you want to stake. So let's say we stake 0.01 testnet DYDX. Liquid stake that, you'll see the ratio is 1:1 since it's just launched today. Liquid stake, you just approve the transaction. There you go. You've now successfully staked your testnet DYDX token, and you got STK DV4 TNT, which is the representative, which you'll also see on your dashboard here. If you just filter for that particular token, you can easily see that you have that staked version of it here in your amount. So that's it. That's how easy it is. And now and anything else will happen in the background. So if you want to start accumulating DYDX rewards, that will happen automatically. So your STK DYDX token will actually become more valuable, or will appreciate actually over time compared to the DYDX token, as all the USDC rewards are captured and automatically transferred back into DYDX tokens. So that's it. Very quick and easy.